Okay, so this is the plain and simple structure how cookies works. This is your browser. You see the login screen. You enter the username password. It sends the data to the post authenticate or login post API. Server validate username password. Server sends the HTTP status 200 with the cookies. So this cookie has a session information. It can be session ID, it can be token, it can be user ID. And now when you are sending another request like get API user, what it will do is server will validate the session and you don't need to explicitly do anything. Once you send the cookies to the browser will automatically attach these cookies with the API request you are sending to the same domain. Okay, you don't need to explicitly add the cookies. And now server will validate the cookies. Okay, it represents the valid user. It sends the information back to the client. So this is the plain and simple structure how cookies works. Cookies data can be anything, can be token, session ID, user ID, auth ID, email ID. It's just a way of identifying that we have a valid identifier coming back with the protected private request. Now cookies are something which we are exchanging between client and server, right? So we also need to think about their security. Are they secure enough? Nobody's going to steal or all those things. So this is how we can secure our cookies. Cookies are nothing but a secure data. You should always take care of the security. So when you are setting cookies, make sure HTTP only is true. That means it cannot be read by the browser. Browser cannot interpret, manipulate or read it. It should be secure. Same site, that means whatever the domain you set, only that with that site this is available. And also set an expiry so that once the cookies are expired, they cannot be used, they cannot be sent to the server again. So HTTP only prevent XSS attack, secure, ensure that it is used only on HTTPS, same site. It restrict the cross-site sending of the same cookies. Path, I mean, you can also specify the particular path, but it sends the cookies to all the API calls which are being sent to the entire app. Maximum age or expires, how long the cookies stays on the browser. So that's good, right? And how it works in the code, you can just send cookies like this, response.cookies, like response.send, response.json we do in Express, response.cookies. And these are the cookies attribute: HTTP only, secure, true, same site, maximum age and path. In development, you can just set a secure false, but these are like very important things. Common security mistake, you forgot to add HTTP only, secure flag, same site. So to make your cookies most secure in production application, then you need to set all those things: HTTP only, true, secure, true, same site, either strict or flexible, maximum age, the expiry of the cookies on the browser. This is how you can make your cookies ultra secure. Now let's talk about the basic setup of the NestJS application to get started with the whole authentication using cookies, where we will be exchanging the GWT token from the client to server. We are using cookie based authentication where we are exchanging the data in form of GWT token.